Vieton Oil Mist, the perfect glow-enhancing face mist to lock in moisture while delivering nutrients to strengthen, add glow, and leave skin feeling fresh. Vieton Oil Mist, a rich, hydrating, vitamin-infused mist. Key ingredients: camellia seed oil, delivers intense moisture and nutrients to maintain smooth, glowy skin. Sea berry, Hippophae rhamnoids. Water, containing high level of vitamin C and E, which aids in skin vitality. Key benefits: sea berry water, camellia seed oil, and other plant-derived ingredients provide deep nourishment and energy to the skin. The golden ration of oil and water allows for easy absorption, leaving skin smooth and radiant. Prevents transepidermal moisture loss and improves skin radiance. Skin primary irritation test completed. How to use. Before using, shake well so the fluid and oil blend together. Close your eyes, then spritz evenly all over face and wait for product to be absorbed. Create an optimized base for skincare and a subtle glow under the makeup. How to use with other Incellderm products. To amplify radiance and moisture, apply Vieton Multi-Stick Balm before oil mist.